Hey friends, Kamal here, and in this video we are going to discuss about a very small yet very powerful utility in Excel. You'll be finding this feature very useful when you'll be having tables where you have some data and you want to apply filters, and that filter you want something that is dynamic, where you keep on typing and you see filtered results on the basis of it. So for example, if I have a couple of rows here in this table, and I have a field over here, as and when I keep on typing, the results are filtered. If I remove it, the results will again refreshed. Same goes here. If I type something over here, it would be filtered. So this is very simple to create, and very small piece of code is required for this. So let's develop this particular example from scratch and see how you can implement this in your example. So I'm starting it with a new Excel workbook, and for instance I'm just copying the data so that we can use it and easily replicate it. So I'm just changing the width, and I am uh, setting the height to auto fit. Alright, so I have kept one row here on the top so that I can add those text boxes where I'll be applying filters. So for this example, I'll be adding the filters on these two columns. These are text fields. This one is numeric. For numeric, we need to do some more enhancements to this example, and we'll be covering it later. So for in this video, we'll be covering only text filters. So just go to developer tab, and if developer tab is not there on your menu, then you can go to file and then options. Here you'll be able to add there by a customized ribbon, and you can check this checkbox. If it is unchecked, then you'll see this developer tab there, and then go to insert, and from here you can insert a text box. It's here, ActiveX control, and draw a text box over here. You can copy it again and paste one more for this column. Alright, so this part is done, and I'm changing the background to some other color. Alright, now this is somewhere looks like similar, but we are yet to write the code behind it. Now I'm double clicking on this cell. It creates a sub procedure. This piece of code will be executed when I type something over here. This is text box 1 change event. So similarly, when I double click on this, this sub procedure will be called. Now I need to write everything in between. So the problem statement is to apply filter. So we need to first see whether that particular sheet is already having a filter or not, or we also need to make a check where if that is the value in the text box is blank. In that case, simply remove the filters. So first of all, write that condition that if length of text box 1, if the content length is 0, right, in that case we can remove the bracket. In that case, simply reset the filter, just remove it. Sheet 1 dot autofilter mode equals false. And if it is not true, then go to else block, and in this else block we can apply a filter. So if we'll first check whether filter is already applied or not. So if I'll copy this from here, if sheet 1 dot autofilter mode equals true, that means if filter is already applied there, in that case first remove that filter, and we'll be applying a fresh filter in that case. And if filter is not applied, then we'll be simply applying a filter. So Now the main statement which will be executed, which will be applying filter based on our criteria, is sheet 1 dot. Now we need to specify a range, and our range is from A2, because we are starting from second row. In first row we have kept those text boxes, and we have 3 columns, so from up to C. But row number we'll make it dynamic, and rows dot count, or you can count the number of rows which are having data and then put that count here. And then dot auto filter, and after that you need to set on which field where you want to are you going to apply the filter. So field equal, you need to give the index number. We are going to apply this filter on field 1, and then after comma you need to set the condition or the criteria. Now criteria in this case is nothing but the content provided in that text box surrounded by stars, so that it gives you all the matching values which may have that text value in between. So it is surrounded by 2 stars. So if you need exact match, then just put text box 1 dot value. Otherwise you can concatenate 2 stars, one before and one after it. That's it. So similar thing we need to do on text box 2 change, but here we'll be changing it to text box 2. Sheet 1 is okay, sheet 1 is okay here as well. We need to apply this filter on field 2, and the criteria is text box 2 dot value. This is done. Now let's see the results here. We need to click on design mode again so that we come out of it, and you'll be able to put values here now. Now if I put A something wrong, criteria is not a valid argument, it should be criteria 1, and here as well. Fine. And now if I put A here, it applies the filter. When I clear it, it removes the filter ALM. It gives me those values. Even if I put something in between, it gives me those results. Similarly here as well. So that's it in this example. If you want to have more specific problem statement, if you want to learn something which is related to this, and you want to implement something in your project, you can write to me at excel.microK@gmail.com. Thank you. Goodbye.